Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best fiddle is probably one of the most versatile and expressive instruments available today, capable of producing a wide range of sounds that can evoke deep emotion and tell compelling stories. Whether you're a seasoned musician looking to expand your repertoire or a beginner eager to embark on a new musical journey, choosing the right fiddle can significantly impact your playing experience and the quality of your music. With so many options on the market, from traditional acoustic models to modern electric variations, making an informed decision requires careful consideration of various factors that align with your personal needs and musical aspirations. Number 5. Mendini by Cecilio Violin 4/4 Full-Size Beginner Kit. Experience exceptional sound and durability with this instrument. It features a hand-carved spruce top for a rich tone and a maple back for vibrant resonance, ensuring it's built to last. Designed for comfort, its smooth contours allow for extended practice sessions. The premium strings produce clear, resonant tones, inspiring your musical journey. This full-size instrument is an ideal starting point for beginners of all ages. It makes a thoughtful gift, simplifying the initial steps into music for anyone. Everything you need is in this comprehensive kit. It includes the instrument, bow, extra strings, bridges, rosin, shoulder rest, tuner, lesson book, and a protective hard case. Your new instrument arrives nearly ready to play. Simply tune the pegs gently, and you'll be making music in minutes with this easy setup. What we like. This violin offers excellent craftsmanship with a solid spruce top for great tone. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long practice sessions, making it ideal for beginners. If you are looking for a comprehensive package that includes everything you need to start playing right away, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The fiddle has a beautiful, classic design that looks great in any kitchen. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The intuitive controls make it simple to get started right away. The fiddle performs exceptionally well, producing consistent and high-quality results every time. Its advanced features allow for precise adjustments, catering to various needs. Number 4. Mendini by Cecilio 4/4 Violin Beginner Kit. Experience a rich and stable tone with its solid spruce top and maple back. This instrument is built for durability and comfort, making it ideal for those starting their musical journey. Enjoy playing with its hand-carved, well-proportioned body designed for comfort. The premium strings produce vibrant tones, offering an excellent performance for learners. This full-size violin set is a wonderful gift for beginners. It makes learning enjoyable and helps build confidence as they embark on their musical path. Everything you need is included: a bow, bridges, extra strings, rosin, and an adjustable shoulder rest. A durable hard case with straps ensures easy transport. Get started right away. Simply tune it upon arrival and begin making beautiful music. Please note the bridge is not pre-installed to prevent shipping damage. What we like. Featuring a hand-carved solid spruce top and a beautiful design, this violin is built for both durability and comfort. It delivers rich, vibrant tones that will inspire any beginner. If you prioritize a visually appealing instrument with comfortable playability for a smooth learning curve, this one is a great option. What people say. The fiddle has a beautiful tone that resonates warmly. Its craftsmanship is excellent, with a smooth finish and precise detailing. The included accessories are high quality and complement the instrument well. Number 3. Vangoa 4/4 Full-Size Electric Violin. Enjoy quiet practice sessions at home without disturbing others, thanks to its silent design. When you're ready, connect it to an amp to showcase your talent on stage. Made from solid maple wood with a metallic finish, it delivers a bright and resonant sound. The ebony fingerboard and durable fittings ensure a smooth and long-lasting playing experience. Experience a full and powerful sound with its carbon fiber tailpiece and steel strings. The included Brazil wood bow with natural horsehair helps you achieve the perfect tone. Available in multiple sizes, it ensures a comfortable fit for everyone, from kids to adults. Its lightweight design allows for extended practice without fatigue. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to start playing, such as a hard case, extra strings, rosin, and headphones. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. What we like. This electric violin allows for silent practice with headphones, perfect for late-night sessions or shared living spaces. It's also amp-connectable for performances, offering versatility. If you need an instrument that lets you practice anytime without disturbing others, while still being able to perform, this is the one for you. What people say. The fiddle has a very good sound quality. The design of the fiddle is elegant and it is easy to hold. The fiddle comes with all the necessary accessories for a beginner. Number 2. Vangoa Violin 4/4 Full-Size Set. Tired of tuning troubles? Our violin features high-quality metal pegs for ultra-smooth and precise tuning. You can maintain perfect pitch longer, whether practicing or performing. Experience warm, resonant tones from its spruce top and maple back sides. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable practice sessions, perfect for building your technique. This 4/4 full-size instrument is ideal for beginners and intermediate players alike. With easy tuning, you can focus on mastering melodies, not fighting with your gear. Its robust construction is built to withstand daily practice. The included lightweight hard case keeps your instrument safe, so you can start your musical adventure with confidence. Looking for a standout gift? This violin kit offers premium craftsmanship, easy tuning, and all the essentials. It's perfect for anyone ready to embrace the joy of playing. What we like. Equipped with high-quality metal tuning pegs, this violin ensures ultra-smooth and precise tuning, maintaining pitch longer. Its handcrafted tone and durable build make it reliable for daily practice. If you value consistent tuning and a solid instrument that can withstand regular use, this is an excellent choice for learners. What people say. The fiddle has a beautiful, rich tone that is perfect for folk music. The instrument is well crafted with a smooth finish and comfortable neck. It comes with a sturdy case and a bow that produces a clear sound. Number 1. Antonio Giuliani Primo Violin Full-Size Bundle. Introducing the Antonio Giuliani Primo Violin, a full-size instrument crafted for aspiring musicians. This bundle includes everything you need to start playing. This outfit comes complete with professional recommendations, including a shoulder rest, instructional book, and quality strings. It also features a Brazil wood bow and a protective carrying case. Each instrument is expertly assembled and quality checked in the USA, ensuring optimal performance and sound. We guarantee a ready-to-play experience right out of the box. Handcrafted from solid maple and spruce tonewoods with genuine ebony fittings, it produces a clear, ringing tone. This makes it ideal for learning proper intonation and inspiring young players. We stand behind our instruments with a lifetime warranty and a 45-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and we're here to help with any questions. What we like. This violin stands out with its final assembly and quality check performed in the USA, ensuring long-term performance. It features genuine ebony fittings and comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you are looking for an instrument with superior quality control, excellent customer support, and a commitment to lasting value, this is a highly recommended option. What people say. The fiddle has a unique design that stands out. Its compact size makes it very portable. The sound quality is surprisingly rich for its size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.